everyone. Today's video is about a project that happens in your backyard, so outdoors. You know those photos that you see on magazines with people laying in a nice hammock, having a nice drink, just relaxing, and you think, oh my God, I wish I had one of those so I could relax and unwind after a day's work or on the weekend. Well, I do have one of those. I just never used it because I didn't have anywhere to hang it, and so that's what this video is about, creating a little haven, a little paradise for you and for your family in your own backyard. All right, so let's have some fun with this one. So this is my backyard. It's a fairly large backyard. However, we do not want to interfere with the yard itself. We want to create our little space for the hammocks along this fence. And we have enough space for about 3 hammocks, maybe even 4. But I'm happy with just one because that's all I need. I only need one. So we'll be needing quite a bit of wood. Obviously we need to use strong beams. There's already some holes. These holes are about 4 feet deep, and inside the hole we're going to be putting this builder's tube, which is where the cement is going to go in, and then the wooden post. This is the last hole, and that's a great tool, this hole digger. This is the concrete mix that we're using. We just need to add water and it's ready. These 2 posts are already in place, so we just need another 2 to go. I'm getting so excited because this project is taking shape. All the posts are in, and we're now positioning these beams across that will hold the posts in place. And by doing so, we are creating a very, very strong structure for the hammocks. So no matter what our weight is, these posts will stay in place no matter what. Number one, they are set in concrete, and then with these beams across, there's no way they're gonna budge. These are the 2x8 beams that we're using to go across from post to post. And when it's hot, this is how you do it. There's no pants or pockets. You use your socks and your boots. Cool. These are the bolts that we're using with the washer and nut to make sure that it goes across nicely and it secures the post and the beams together. So this is your helper right here to rest the beams on top of and to keep them level. So the bolt goes in by itself. Almost in. All right, it's there. And it's now showing on the back. And that's where the washer and the nut is gonna go. So all the beams are pretty much in, and the next thing will be the design on top of those beams, and then hammocks, here I come. With this wood here, the 2x4s and the 2x6s, I think, we're going to create the design above those beams. So it's quite a bit of work, but it's worth it. We're having fun, and more so, we're going to be enjoying our hammocks, which is really good. I'm really, really looking forward to it. It's looking pretty good. We only need the final touch, which is this 1x2 here. That's going to go across on top of those guys up there. So that's what's going on up here. Creating a pretty design. The design is definitely optional, but I really like it. It looks better, looks finished. I'm really excited about it. It's almost done, almost done. These are the eye bolts we're going to use to hang the hammocks. They need to be strong. Not only they need to be strong enough, but they also need to be long enough. So the same width of the post, because we need the nut on this side to secure the bolt in place. So this way it'll be strong and secure for a long time. And now we're going to drill from this side. Perfect. And there's a perfect hole. And there you go, it's ready for a hammock. Perfect. And here's the other one. So this hammock project ended up being a backyard makeover. We've decided to make enough structure for 4 hammocks, and by doing so we've created a little hammock sanctuary, plus an overhang over the picnic area for when it rains. It took us quite a while, it was quite a bit of work, but I'm extremely happy with the end results. If you have the tools and the skills, here's a project that you can do yourself, probably as a family project. But if not, and you still want it, hire a professional and get it done anyways. Because I tell you this, guys, life is too short, so we should enjoy it the best way we can. And finally, the moment that I've been waiting for. I've got my book, I've got my wine, my hammock. Finally, I get to enjoy it. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to keep up with Linda. Cheers! Oh yeah, the book. Gotta read the book. So good.